Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be moving in early to the newest Erin Condren Life Planner that launches April 24th for EC insiders or on April 25th for the general public. So I do these videos every single year because I get so excited to use my stuff that I want to move in early. And so I want to show you in this video, if you see my videos before, I think you know my hacks. But I still want to create a video and show y'all how I'm moving in early and how I'm setting it up, but also 2 ways that you can just move in early if you're interested in using your planner right away. So I was sent from the amazing team at Erin Condren, who I want to thank again for allowing me to do this collaboration, the A5 Daily Duo in the new Inspire design. I'll have the link below to my full view of this planner as well as the accessories. I have 2 different videos just going over those in depth. But I have the A5 Daily Duo and then the 7x9 Canvas Planner. This is an 18-month planner, and I think this is the easiest way to move in. So it's typically easier to move in early to an 18-month, and then you don't lose, realistically, any months if you're a year-long calendar person. Because what we'll do is, and it typically takes like a lot of washi or stickers or creativity, but if you get the academic year, it starts in July and then it ends in December of 2024. So again, full 18 months. And I think the easiest way to move into a planner, and I'll probably do this with the hourly when I buy it, so be on the lookout for that. Because these planners start academic year July, you get them, you know, if you get them first week, you have it in April. So that's the last bit of April. But if we really want to start using it in May and June, all I like to do with the 18 months is go in and find, let's see, so this year May 1st is on a Monday, and May has 31 months. So I'll go to the last 6 months and I'll just see where that aligns. So in this one, it'll align in July. So what I would do if I wanted to move in early for May is, and if I wanted to make it easy on myself, right? So because July, it starts on the 1st and it's 31 months, that means August will follow June, which, if we look at the calendar, June 1st, 2023, starts on Thursday and then ends, of course, it's 30 days, on a Friday. So you can use the full month of August, and then of course you just have an extra day here that you don't need, but it aligns like the dates align perfectly. So that way, all you have to do is change, like hide the holidays, change up here. Your calendar view is set for you. Oh, and then inside, it makes it easier because again, you'll just have to change that title. But inside's the best because all these dates are already like structured. So Monday the 1st lines up perfectly. Again, you just have to hide like these months and the holidays. But like this is already set up for you, so you don't have to worry about that. If you just don't care, then you can just go to the last few months, and that's what we're gonna do on this one. Well, you can just go to the last 2 months that you know you're not gonna use and just turn these into, to match the July or the May and the June calendar. So I personally, because I won't use the last 6 months of the planner, as y'all know, I move in early. So because if you always move in early, it makes it easier, like you don't need it. But you can also have all this extra space to like test out maybe different ways that you want to plan. I like getting the 18 months for that reason. Plus, you have a bigger coil so you can store more stuff on it, which is nice. But the bigger coil makes it nice so that you can move in early, and it's very easy. And then you have these extra months if you want like scratch papers. If you like have kids who want to plan with you, maybe you can rip them out and give it to them, or let them, you know, use that section in your planner. Or if you're just an 18-month planner, then, you know, you can just use the 18 months. But I like doing it this way because it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to white out a lot of stuff or like use date dots. Like it syncs up perfectly, and then you have extra pages. So that's one way, and then the rest again is just to edit the crap out of it, which we are going to do in this planner. So I'm recording this on April 11th. Again, this is a PR package, so I got it early. So I'm just gonna set up the full month of April with you guys. And what we'll do is, let's see, April started on a Saturday. So we, of course, have to shift the entire calendar. So yeah, for this planner, I have date dots. So I have these from PAPETERIE Planning. I'll have these linked below as well as my discount code with her. I love her date dots because they're very minimal, right? Very simple. And what I like is that she includes the entire month and then extra dates so that way you can get the full month. So for example, you'll see it, but April has, starts on a Monday, so you have the 31st here, and then you have the 1st through the 4th here. She accounts for that in her stickers so that way you can fill up the full month and get the full days. So that's one reason why I love her date dots so much, and they're just so simple. So I'm going to take these date dots and we are just going to readjust this for 2023 so I can start using it right away. So just gonna go through and do that. So that is the calendar view, and so a little up close look at what they look like. So they cover them up perfectly, and then I have 2 sheets because of course I'll do the same thing for May, but I added gray in here so that way I know like what was the different month. But yeah, we have that, and so that is good to go. And then I can just, I don't care that much about what the year says, but we can just white out. Or if you're not a whiteout person, use a sticker to cover up that 2024 if you care that much. But now the monthly calendar is good to go. And so all we have to do in the weeks is come in here and change the dates. So again, I'll be using whiteout just because I'm just gonna write in the dates instead of using stickers. I just wanted the stickers on the monthly view. This one because I'm writing like all over it, I don't mind, but I'll just go through. And I'm just gonna backdate from yesterday because again, I'm filming this on the 11th. So just do that and add the date for each month. I'll cover this up or just ignore it because I don't use the monthly view anyways. But yeah, that is how I move in early. And again, I'm using this for work, so I can't share exactly how I'm setting it up, but I will just be blocking out. Let me just show y'all one day. Let me show y'all yesterday. So I like to just block out when I work. And then each day I'll have a place to write all the tasks that I need to do. I have a section for notes. Sorry, Mia, here's something outside. And so she's going to go attack it. But yeah, and then I'll just put in all my meetings, and then I can use this additional space for any like events or just any maybe like high priority things. But we have a to-do list, and then I think what I'm gonna do in the monthly view is use these stickers that come with the planner and just highlight like when I'm like working remotely, when I'm off, different things like that. So that way I have like a full track of it. I'm not gonna, maybe like high priority deadlines too that I need a calendar view for, but other than that, it's really just gonna be personal items. So yeah, that is how I like to set up agendas or planners early. That is how I set this one up. I'm just gonna go through and do, you know, write in whatever days I need. But yeah, other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions or any tips too, please feel free to leave it down below. And thank you guys so much for watching.